He is eating some. Come on over, boy. Come on, we got some for you too. Show them the package. Here we go. We got a package of this. When they get bored of their food, we give them some of this here. It's from the refrigerated section at Whole Foods. We got it. Real food, fresh from the fridge. Chicken and Ocean Whitefish Recipe, grain-free. There he is. Because they do better grain-free, especially she. And this is Miss Lovey's idea. The coffee filters she likes to use as a quick plate. Look at that. Just a quick plate on some newspaper. That's called hometown redneck style. Yeah. Yeah. That's my language, see. I speak my own language. Yeah. And there they go. She doesn't want to get... He's not going to smack you. She's always cautious. Is he going to mess with me? And they are. Oh, boy likes it. That's good stuff. So we got you this stuff again. Got the real food, fresh from the fridge, grain-free, nature's fresh. And they're loving it. It is, what is it? It is, let's see how many pieces it is here. It's soft. Yes, it is soft. Yep, so they can chew it up good when they're having a problem. Yeah, by the way, folks, they made my floor dirty, not me. They are loving it. Look at that, boy, oh boy, he's loving it too. Look at that. Oh, it's just me, it's not him. See, she thought it was him. He's big, he's twice our size. He's a heavy boy. Yeah. Alright, that's good. Alright.